Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here. How's everybody doing today? So today we're going to go over this flower right here. I thought it was a really cute design to cover and quite simple to do with just a few steps. So we're going to put this on this nail right here. I have a base of lovey-dovey right here, so let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is take a little bit of spring fling and use our large slant brush here to create the petals. Now you can use whatever colors you want. I'm kind of infatuated with spring fling right now, so I'm using this color. So you want to just ensure that both sides of the bristles are covered, and we're going to create the 3 petals. So we're going to start in the middle and just create a little petal. It doesn't look like much right now, and I actually like that it's not completely opaque, because then it gives like the illusion that the petals are not solid, which sometimes on flowers they're not. So we're just going to go with this, and then we're going to create another petal over here, and then another petal right here. Just kind of make a little round shape. Okay, add a little bit more polish here. I know it doesn't look like much now, but when we use Raven's Kiss, it will add the definition that we need, okay? I'll just fill it in here a little bit. Okay, let's give that a full cure. Okay, that is fully cured. If you want to put a second coat of that, you can, to give more of an opaque look. I actually like the definition of where it looks a little bit darker in here, a little bit lighter in here. It just kind of gives it more of a natural look. Next, we're going to take our large long brush here to outline the petals. I really like this one because it has very little bristles to it, and you can get a lot of definition and fine definition if you're looking for those really fine lines. So make sure that all bristles are coated, and then we'll start with the middle petal. Let's give that a full cure. Next, we're going to use a series of dotting tools. So I have one with a larger end here, and then this one with the really fine tip. So first, we're going to take a little bit of Raven's Kiss and create the center of our flower by just putting a little dot right there. And then we're going to, I'm just elongating a little bit. Then we're going to take this end here and draw the polish in to mimic the center of a flower. I like the looks of that, and we'll give that a cure. Next, we're going to take our long striper brush again. You'll notice I didn't clean it from the last time because I knew we were going to dip right back into the Raven's Kiss. We're going to create a stem. So make sure that all bristles are coated and create a swooping stem. We're going to give that a little flash cure of 10 seconds just to settle the line. So now this is only cured for 10 seconds, and the reason why I did that is because I'm going to be having an intersecting line here, and if I didn't cure this, then what will happen is that as I draw that line, the polish at the intersection here will actually drag some of the polish from this line. You'll get a thick kind of intersection, so I wanted really crisp lines. So even though that this is not fully cured, it's only 10-second cure, it's settled enough and is dry enough that when I draw my intersecting line, it's not going to run, and then we'll do a full 45-second or 60-second cure depending on which lamp you have. I have a 45-second lamp with me. Okay, so let's draw an intersecting line. Okay, and we'll give that now a full 45-second cure. Okay, now that that is dry, you know that I always like to finish off my nail art with Clearly Frisky. It just finishes the look and polishes the nail right up. Yes, I did that. It's a pun intended. So give a good thin coat and make sure you cap that edge. We'll give that a full cure. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and I would love to see you next time. Ciao, ciao.